Your net worth, it's more than a number. It's your financial health in a single snapshot. Yet so many avoid calculating it, fearing what they'll find. But here's the truth. Knowing your net worth can be the first step toward turning chaos into clarity. Let's cut through the fear and make it simple. Start with your assets. Picture this. Everything you own that holds value. Your home, an asset. That car in your driveway, an asset. Your savings account, retirement funds, or even the dusty collection of rare comics in your attic? All assets. Add up their current market values. Be precise but realistic. If you'd sell your car today, what would it fetch? That's the number you need. Now let's turn to the shadows. Liabilities. These are the debts that weigh you down. Your mortgage, student loans, credit card balances, even that $20 you still owe a friend from lunch last week. Tally them up without flinching. The bigger the number, the more clarity you're gaining about your starting point. Next, subtract liabilities from assets. Assets minus liabilities. The result? That's your net worth. It could be a positive number, a solid foundation. Or maybe it's negative, a wake-up call. Either way, this number isn't your destiny. It's just your starting point. With this single calculation, you've confronted the unknown and taken control. Your net worth is your map, showing where you stand today and where you can go tomorrow. Stay focused, keep building, and revisit your calculation often. Each step forward makes the next one easier. The journey starts now.